And in our top business story, Dubai consumer inflation edged up by 2.82% last month from a year earlier, with annual growth quickening from 2.76% the previous month. That's according to data released by the Dubai Statistics Centre. On a monthly basis, prices rose by 0.46% from the previous month. That compared with a monthly rate of inflation of 0.18% in the previous month. Inflation has been rising this year mainly because of costlier residential rents. Housing costs rose 4.8% year-on-year in June, accounting for about 40% of the weighting on the index. According to local reports, Emirates NBD has forecast inflation to reach 3% this year, its highest rate since before the financial downturn in 2009. Until this year, inflation has remained relatively subdued in Dubai, but acceleration in the economy and a sharp recovery in property prices are gradually pushing prices for goods and services higher again. Additionally, the Statistics Centre Abu Dhabi released data showing that food prices fell by 0.1% during the third week of the holy month, compared to the same period a month earlier. Prices of fruit dropped by 3.1% during the period, with fish and seafood declining by 1.9% in price. In contrast, pulse prices rose by 1.5%, with the cost of meat, excluding fish, growing by 0.6%. Dubai's Department of Tourism and Commerce Marketing has modified its hotel classification scheme, with its implementation coming in September. According to local reports, the authority has changed the room size perimeter requirements, bringing hotel classification in the Emirate in line with rating systems in other international destinations. The DTCM has also added the availability of Wi-Fi access in public areas of all new hotel establishments to the criteria. Officials from the DTCM were quoted as saying that the new revisions will not apply to all existing hotels, which are exempt from the criteria related to the revised room size perimeters, and this only applies to new hotel establishments. The DTCM has been testing the new system since April and has received positive feedback on the criteria. It has also revealed that more than 570 establishments have registered on the hotel classification system and are working on updating their details. The scheme was introduced to improve clarity about the type and quality of hotel rooms and accommodation available across the Emirate, and the services provided by the properties. Dubai International's northern runway is undergoing certification by the General Civil Aviation Authority as the final step to its reopening and returning the airport to full capacity on July the 21st, ending an 80-day runway refurbishment and upgrade program. Both of the airport's runways were closed consecutively from May the 1st for refurbishment. The project involved the resurfacing of the entire 4,000-metre-long northern runway, as well as the upgrade of the runway lighting and construction of additional taxiways and rapid exits on the southern runway. The upgrades were needed to accommodate an increasing number of aircraft, as traffic at the airport continues to grow rapidly. The opening of the northern runway paves the way for the return to Dubai International of airlines, including Fly Dubai, which temporarily operated selected flights to Al Maktoum International at Dubai World Central for the duration of the refurbishment program. 4 scheduled airlines, Wizz Air, Gulf Air, Jazeera Airways and Qatar Airways, which operated at DWC before the runway closure, will continue to fly from Dubai's second airport. Passengers are again advised to check with their airline which airport they will be flying from during the transition period. The Dubai financial market announced the suspension of trading in Arab tech shares this morning as the bourse seeks clarification from the company on media reports about a possible increase in stake by one of its major shareholders. According to a Bloomberg News report citing unnamed sources, Abar Investments, the second largest shareholder in Arab Tech, is in talks to buy at least half of the stake of the former chief executive Hassan Ismail. Shares in the Dubai-based construction major fell sharply in June on wild speculations and rumours about a sell-off by ABR. Early this month, however, the shares began recovering after the firm responded to the rumours regarding the fate of the company in a media address. Abtec has been the focus of market analysts and players of late after its share price surged 261% in less than 5 months, from 2.05 dirhams on December the 31st, 2013 to 7.40 dirhams on May the 14th, 2014. However, the stock lost more than 61% of its worth in the month of June and closed the month at 2.61 dirhams apiece, amidst less than transparent reports of layoffs and the fact that its major shareholder, Abu Dhabi-based ABR Holdings, has liquidated part of its stake in the Dubai-based construction firm.